Hi, my name is Kevin Gordon, CEO for Simply Secure Group. And one of the biggest questions we are asked, how do I protect my company and my company's data from ransomware attacks? Can I recover the network? Can I recover the data? Can I restore those files? The simple answer is yes, and we can do that. Let me show you how.
What we're going to show today is a ransomware scenario in order to show what the remediation capabilities, like the rollback function, actually looks like. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead and run the agent in what we call detect only mode, which will effectively alert on the malicious activity, but we will not automatically respond to that activity. Just note, normally we would kill and quarantine any threats that we see when running in protect mode. We're just using this mode for the demonstration. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into our Windows 10 workstation. As you can see here, I have my email open in a web browser, and I have an email awaiting me to open an invoice. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And almost immediately after opening the document, we can see that the Sentinel-1 agent is alerting on it that something is wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize the document, and that way we can actually watch the attack go through, and we'll revisit what the attack actually did when we take a look at the forensics page. At this stage, we can see that the data in the sensitive folder here was completely deleted off the system. We can see that the rest of the data on the endpoint, so we have the documents and the pictures here, are also now encrypted, and we can also see the ransomware note left by the attacker. Let's go ahead and pivot into the console and take a look at actually what happened on the endpoint. So without a doubt, this is definitely something malicious, so I'm going to go ahead and, as the analyst, we're going to mark it as a true positive, and we're going to go ahead and respond to this attack. So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and tell it to kill the processes in the storyline that were part of the attack. We'll go ahead and quarantine any files that were dropped to the system. Remediate, we'll go ahead and clean out any registry keys that were added, persistence mechanisms, files dropped, and we'll go ahead and roll back any data that got deleted, encrypted, or altered as part of the threat. So I'm going to go ahead and click apply, and if we're quick enough here, we should be able to make it back and actually watch it recover all of the files on the endpoint, not just the ones that were encrypted, but also the ones that were deleted. And with that, we have a completely restored system.